Hey, this is Congressman Mark Green. Welcome to Whiteboard Wednesday, and this week we're going to talk about the Supreme Court of the United States. In the wake of the death of Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg, there's this debate now about, particularly amongst the Democrats, whether they should add more justices or stack the court. What does that actually mean? It means that they want to put the kinds of justices on the Supreme Court who will consider the Constitution a living document. This all started in the 1950s with the Warren Court. This term, the living Constitution, came about, which basically meant that what the justice thinks the Constitution should or ought to say is how it should be interpreted. Well, what that means is that the court then can change the document. They can basically have it fit their political bias by saying this is what it ought to have said. What that leads to is their ability to undo executive orders and any law that the Congress writes. What that means is they become quintessentially the power of the land. And what happens when you concentrate power in the hands of fewer and fewer people? We've talked about it many times. You get tyranny. Here's what it really is. Congress makes the laws, and we are the ones that amend the Constitution. There's another pathway where states can do it too. But the court is not involved in amending the Constitution. Their job is simply to interpret what it says and not what they want it to say. That's stacking the court with activist judges. That gets us tyranny. Thanks for joining me for Whiteboard Wednesday. Have a great day.